guys, today's video in English is a flip through of Ladies of Nature. This is a grayscale colouring book, Amazon print, and this is by Alena Lazareva. The book contains 2 full sets of 23 illustrations, and we will get straight into the flip through. These are very pretty pages. They are bordered, which is nice. You guys know I like that, just to create that fully finished page. And we have some really rather stunning grayscale pages in this one. These beautiful hybrid ladies that have been created. Will make for very interesting coloured pages. We then start the second set, exactly the same thing. We are an Amazon print book, and in the back it tells you a little bit about the artist. So Alena Lazareva is indeed a female artist, not a company group. She does do PDF colouring books that you can get from her Etsy shop, and art prints. And we then get into some of the books available from her. So we have Mermaids Grayscale, Fashion, Funny Animals, Fantasy World, Fashion Life, Sweet Dreams, Halloween, Forever Love, Amazing Colouring Book, Unicorns, Fantasy Kingdom, Fairies, her 100 Best Of, in grayscale. Do believe she has line art pages as well. Fairies, line art, colouring book, Fantasy Mermaid Fairies, Goddess, Colour Your Dreams, Winter Wonderland, Rainbow, Fantasy World, Sweet Dreams. And these are the grayscale books, and these are the line art, and these are a mixture of both. Hope this has been useful for you guys. That is Alena Lazareva's Ladies of Nature grayscale colouring book. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please give this a thumbs up if you found it useful, and I will see you in my next video.